understand? Your Cm is the function of alpha. Clear? I also said it can be function of Cl also. That's why I'm using dou here. Concept done. Now you see the next page. I explained that Cm naught we should keep positive. Okay. Then I explained in the equation you may have individually positive or negative, but in entire aeroplane we write our equation in terms of overall equation. So whenever we are writing CMCG, it should contain a constant term and a variable term, right? Means constant term for wing, for tail, for everything. Then variable term also for everything. Then in next page, we are taking formula for wing, right? So wing formula over, now you take tail formula.